Hi everyone, welcome to Food Unlimited. Today I'm going to be presenting chicken joint leg fry. Let's see the process. Oil 200 ml, green chilies 150 grams, curry leaves 2 strings, onion paste 200 grams. Mix all together for 10 minutes. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Mix all together. Ginger garlic paste 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well. Boiled chicken legs 6 to 8 pieces. Mix all together. Salt as per taste. Mix it well. Curd 200 grams. Mix it well. Red chili powder 150 grams. Mix it well. Coriander powder 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Oil 4 to 5 tablespoons. Curry leaves 1 string. Mix all together. Coriander leaves 1/4 cup. Shift to serving bowl. Chicken joint leg fry curry ready to serve. Thank you.